All right, Longhorn families and students and patrons of Holcomb High School. I wanted to make this video real quick to just talk about if and when we go to level 5, we will be in a hybrid learning model. And so I wanted to take the opportunity to share with you what that will look like at Holcomb High School and discuss it a little bit more in depth. Again, my office is always available. If you have any questions, please reach out to me and we will answer them as best as we can. Currently, what we are going to provide in our hybrid level is that we're going to try to reduce the amount of students in the building at one given time. And so we will be splitting our students alphabetically in half. So kudos to our office staff on developing our alphabet system. That way we are ensuring that we're about half and half given our time. So we will split the groups by alphabetical name, by last name, A through L and M through Z. So those will be your two groups. You'll be in either Group A or Group B. In our hybrid model, every student will attend every day, but you will only be attending half a day of school. During that other time, you will all have the opportunity to be in a PLT room. So if you wish to be at school all day, or due to transportation issues you have to be here all day, we will have a PLT room available for you. So if your students group is in session, then they will be in classes. If they are not, we will have that PLT room available that will be monitored by adults during the day, where they will be able to get some work done. And then during teachers' plans time, they would be able to communicate with those teachers to get a little bit of extra help during that. On days 1 and 2, or what would typically look like on a Monday and Tuesday, Group A will go in the mornings, while Group B is in the afternoon. And then on days 4 and 5, we just flip-flop that, where Group A will be in the afternoon and Group B will be in the morning. Just gives the opportunity for each group to have equal amount of time where they are being here in the morning or being in the afternoon. On day 3, which will typically be Wednesdays, we will have teachers will set up office hours. So that will be a remote learning day for all students that day. One that'll help us get the building deeply sanitized and ready to go for the next set of days. And then 2, it'll give the students an opportunity to really work and catch up on some of the work that they may have been doing. The schedule will go as follows. It's from 7:55 to 11:30 for the morning group or the morning session, and then 12 to 3:30 for the afternoon session. And we'll talk about that just in a little bit. Again, as a review, Group A, if you are in Group A, which is last name A through L, on day 1 or Monday, you will go to classes 1 through 4 in the AM, and then in the afternoon, you will have PLT time if you choose to be here at the school, or you're able to go home at that time. Group B on Monday, you will come in the afternoon for periods 1 through 4, and during the morning time, you'll have the opportunity to come to the building for PLT time and work on homework, or be able to work from home. On day 2, we're going to go periods 5 through 8 in the morning for Group A, and then periods 5 through 8 for Group B in the afternoon. Again, when you're not in class session, you have the opportunity of PLT time. On Wednesday, you're going to have a remote learning day, and teachers will post or email their office hours to you for which classes they are available and when they're going to be able to take questions from you. We come back on Thursday, day 4. Again, this will be hours 1 through 4, Group A in the afternoon, while Group B will have periods 1 through 4 in the morning. And then on day 5, which would typically be Friday, we will have periods 5 through 8 in the afternoon, while Group B has periods 5 through 8 in the morning. So here's our schedule. So you can see we're running very similar to what our current schedule is. They are 50-minute classes. So you'll have first, second, third, and fourth period there starting from 7:55 to 11:27. And then the afternoon session will start at 12 noon and will run till 3:30. What we're going to do for lunch is lunch will be provided as a grab-and-go lunch offering for students. They will still need to sign up via their email that they receive every morning from Miss Linda Spence. They will be able to, if you're a morning session that day at 11:27 when you're dismissed, you can go grab your lunch. You can sit in the cafeteria or the gym and eat your lunch, or you're able to go on home. If you're going to stay for the entire day and you've had morning classes, you'll eat your lunch, and then at noon you'll go to a PLT room to work on homework. If you're an afternoon student and you're here for PLT in the morning, again, you'll attend PLT all morning. Then at 11:30, you can go grab your lunch. You'll have time to eat your lunch and then go on to class during 5th period. If you are an afternoon Group B or Group A student and you're showing up in the afternoon, but you will be not attending PLT in the morning, the doors will be open for you at about 11:35. That way you can come in, grab some lunch, sit down and eat before we start class, or you could grab your lunch and eat it as you're heading to class. Transportation will still run at our normal time, so transportation will still run with a morning route and an afternoon route. If the bus transportation is your only way to and from school, then we will still accommodate you by having your class either in the morning or the afternoon and having a PLT time for you to be able to work in the opposite of that. So our bus routes will still stay the same. Those will not change. Also during this time, our extracurricular activities will still be happening, so we will still be having after-school practices, and we'll still be having our games and or contest during level 5. So again, just as a quick review, we'll split the students into two groups, Group A and Group B, based on your last name in the alphabet. A through L is Group A, M through Z is Group B. On Group A, you will attend morning classes on Monday and Tuesday, and then afternoon classes on Thursday and Friday. Group B students, you will attend afternoon classes on Monday and Tuesday and morning classes on Thursday and Friday. Again, when and if this decision is made by the district, we will notify everyone that we are moving to a level 5, and we will also put a graphic out letting you know where we will start and which groups are attending when. We do have some families that have multiple last names within their family. We will be notifying those families in the next couple of days to which group that they will be attending. All right. Again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me here at Holcomb High School at the office or email me at jason.johnson@usd363.com. Thank you.